Reverso Translate is a highly regarded Android application designed to facilitate language translation and learning. This app allows users to translate text and phrases between multiple languages quickly and easily. Beyond simple translation, it offers context-based examples that demonstrate how words and phrases are used in real-life situations, making it a valuable tool for both casual users and language learners. Reverso Translate features an intuitive interface that includes voice recognition for hands-free use and pronunciation guides to help users speak words and phrases correctly. The app also offers a built-in dictionary, synonyms, and conjugation features, enriching the user experience and enhancing vocabulary acquisition. Additionally, Reverso Translate allows users to save their favorite translations and create personalized study lists for ongoing learning. Overall, it serves as an essential resource for anyone looking to improve their language skills or communicate effectively in different languages, blending powerful translation capabilities with educational tools.